Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to identify plants with your mobile phone using your camera. This app is one of the best one to do this task. You can basically do this with Google Lens, but it is not advanced as this app. So I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download it and try it for yourself. This app actually tells you more details about the plant you identified, whether or not it is healthy, whether the plant need attention, whether the plant is toxic for human or toxic for pets. It actually gives you more details about the plant to identify, unlike Google Lens. So you can try that yourself and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I've been playing around with this app for some time now and it is very, very accurate. Like 98% accurate. In this video, I'm going to be testing like 3 different plants to see how well it identifies them. You can download and install it. It is free to use. You have 7 free trials, or you can purchase it if you like the app. So you can explore it and enjoy. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.